Federal judge just ordered Virginia to reinstate the more than 1,600 voters taken off the state's voter rolls after being identified as non-citizens.
These people have self-identified as non-citizens, and either by accident or purpose ended up on the voter rolls, and they should have not been there in the first place.
Welcome back to Conservative Direct. With less than 10 days left until Election Day, there's a battle brewing as Biden's Department of Justice is desperately attempting to stop states like Ohio, Virginia, and Texas from removing non-citizens from their state voter rolls.
The Justice Department filed a lawsuit after their removal, which alleged that Virginia violated federal law by systematically removing those non-citizens from voter rolls too close to Election Day.
The Justice Department is suing your state's election officials, alleging that you're violating federal law.
Why is it that anyone could argue that a process that removes non-citizens off of our voter rolls is anything else other than common sense and constitutional?
If you ask us, this is a no-brainer. If you're here illegally, if you're not an American citizen, you have no business voting in our elections. Unsurprisingly, the Biden administration doesn't see things that way, and their repeated obstruction proves it. Virginia Attorney General Jason Miyares has made his position clear, arguing that it should never be illegal to remove an illegal voter. He continued, saying it's concerning that the Biden-Harris administration is weaponizing the legal system. Miyares is even pledging to fight the DOJ's decision all the way to the Supreme Court, if necessary. Meanwhile, the Ohio Secretary of State sued the Biden administration for obstructing the removal of non-citizen registered voters. The lawsuit says the Department of Homeland Security refused on 4 occasions to grant access to federal records that are necessary to prevent non-citizens from voting. The Ohio Secretary of State says the data the Biden administration is refusing to share would provide a comprehensive picture of how many non-citizens remain registered to vote in Ohio. But we want to know where you stand. If you believe these states have every right to secure our elections by removing non-citizens from their state voter rolls, don't hold back from letting us know in the comments. And of course, like and subscribe to Conservative Direct for more breaking updates as we approach this election.